Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Compass battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a new battery. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes. Before starting, make sure your Jeep Compass is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for stability. This preparation ensures a safe and efficient battery replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate the negative terminal, which is clearly marked with a minus sign. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal and remove the cable. Always disconnect the negative cable first to prevent electrical shorts. Next, proceed to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and disconnect that cable as well. Finally, remove any battery hold-down clamps. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly. This ensures good contact and prevents corrosion. Carefully place the new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive cable to the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal and secure it. To finish up, secure the new battery firmly with its hold-down clamp to prevent any movement while driving. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals. This helps prevent future corrosion and ensures a long-lasting connection. Start your Jeep Compass to confirm everything is working correctly. For more helpful tips and great deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below. Your vehicle is now ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.